Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable Silence Unknown Callers feature on WhatsApp. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap on the three dots from the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then go to Privacy. Swipe up to go down. And find Calls. Tap on it. Here you will see the new update, Silence Unknown Callers. If you do not see this option, you need to update your WhatsApp app. Now tap the slider to enable this. That's it. From now on, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, but they will still be shown in the Calls tab and in your notifications. So in this way, you can enable Silence Unknown Callers feature on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.